Total floor blast. We out here in the desert. We in the water. Stop. And it was loud, so yeah, that's up there. They up there where the horns at. Their ears are now gone.
Are there more seats up there? Okay.
How you get up there?
You gotta go.
Okay. This for real. We got some bulls. I'm coming back now. I'm coming back down here. That's some pedals. I think I can go out there and get that.
How do we get up? How do we get up?
Located on the starboard side, and two traditionally equipped heads are on the port side.
Some
Above the
turbines
main deck
running,
is the second, or Texas deck. Here you'll find our bar and snack bar, lounge area, digital seating, and two more heads. The second deck also features an outside walkway, standing from the bow so you can see where we're going, and at the stern so you can see where we've been. The open area
got my guy.
The stern is also a great place to watch the paddle.
He in this thing here trying.
The top deck, which is also
drive.
called the Hurricane or the Promenade deck, has additional seating and an unobstructed view of the dramatic desert.
He flipping it.
I'd like to ask you to please use the trash cans and ashtrays provided.
The water pretty green though.
There is no smoking allowed inside our enclosed deck area. Please don't throw any trash or cigarette butts over. Now, a few words about shipboard safety. And I would like you boys and girls and your parents to listen very closely. First, there is no running allowed aboard the Desert Princess.
The Desert Princess. We on that Desert Princess.
Spots on the metal decks and stairs.
Yeah.
These wet spots can be very
only in
slippery,
Vegas,
and if
baby.
you're running and hit one of them, you can. These fossils indicate that this area was part of a long north-south trough that created an ancient sea. About 200 million years ago, the land rose, the inland seas receded, and dinosaurs roamed the earth. At this time, desert took the place of the seas for about 100 million years. Our winds formed enormous sand dunes, remnant boats, including the very first, the Uncle Sam, and the largest, the Gila, cruised on the river. The Gila, at 149 feet long, still owns the distinction of being the longest stern wheeler to navigate the river. The steamboats ventured farther and farther north on that soared.
All right, that white is where the water used to be. You see what I'm saying? On that mountain.
It is a
so that's where the water used to be.
Supervisors that over the period of construction, only
500 feet deep, they say. Hoover Dam is back over there. Let's see if I can blow it up for you guys.
3 drowned.
I don't know how close we're going to get to it, but we're going to it.
5 were electrocuted. 26
That's Hoover Dam right there.
Struck by falling debris. 26 more were struck by heavy equipment. And 1 died in an elevator accident. And
I'll cipher what I need out of it, y'all. But this is the beautiful tour of the Hoover Dam. That's right there behind. So, like I said, that white is where on them rocks. That's where the water used to be. You know what I mean? It goes all the way up to the top. They're talking about 500 feet deep. That's what they say. It's 500 feet deep. So that's the business, y'all. We're in the middle of the desert in Las Vegas on some water. Come on now, let's go. Food, guys, on my boat. That's that food, guys. Ooh. Yeah, we're up in this, boy. Yeah. Water and mountains on the side of us. All right, let's go.